Okay, what we're doing, we're making a cheesecake, which is going to be no dairy and no sugar added cheesecake. Okay, so what we're going to start with is grab one, show one of the packs, put it up here. Okay, Jello. Okay, and it is zero sugar right here, and cheesecake. Okay, put that in our bowl. There you go. Just shake it down when you're done. Like this. Want to get it off on one corner. And now you can cut it there. There you go, babe. You got it. Cut it. Pour it in there. There you go. Okay. All right, we're going to do all 3 packs like that. Just put the packs over to the left. Over here. Wherever. Okay, get you another one. I'm going to help you. No, shake it for a while. But you're going to cut it. So what you want to do is you want to shake it like this, so that way it don't fly right. And just make a big cut across there. Good job. Good job. Okay. There you go. Put that in there. Put it all in. All right, here, take this one, cut it across there, shake it from here. There you go. Good job. All right. Whoa, what's up? Okay, that's good. All right, put it in there. All right, now, that's 3 packs of our Jello cheesecake. No sugar. 0 sugar, I should say. Okay, so we put 3 of those back there. Right now, next, we're going to take, we're going to get here out there. All right, let's grab this whole earth pack. Yeah. Next, we're going to put a half a cup of whole earth sweetener in there. This is keto friendly. It says it across the top. Okay, show the cup. Now that's a half a cup. All right, go ahead and pour that in on. Okay. All right, good job. All right, next, let's grab that can over there, babe. Okay, next we're going with, this what makes it non-dairy. Okay, this is coconut cream. Okay, this is a can of coconut cream. All right, we're going to put about half a can. Okay, now we've already made cheesecake, and we have a half a can of coconut cream right here. So, go ahead and pour that in there. Be careful, don't drop it. It's slippery. Okay. Okay, you got it all out of there? Okay, that's good. Okay, now what we're going to do is, we got a blender, maybe a blender. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put the blender on low. See the first one? There. You don't want to go too high. We're just going to go to the first one. But before we do that, we're going to add a little bit of water. Hand me the water. Okay, what you want to do is add cold water. My favorite water right here. What we're going to do is add a little cold, and we're going to continue to add this till we get it to the consistency that we want. Okay. Now be careful that it doesn't splatter everywhere. Okay, put it on the bowl. There we go, mix it up. Okay, and as we mix it, it's going to thicken. So what we're going to do is add water as we go. Yeah, we need more water. We may add more water. I normally don't measure the water. I just add it as we go. Okay, how's that look? Oh, looking good. Get it all in the corner. There you go. Add a little bit more water. You don't want it too thin, and in the same token, you don't want it too thick. Now go all the way against the edge. There we go. All right, stop it for a minute. All right, just keep it in there. Keep it in the middle. Okay, that's looking good. It's a little bit thick. We could add just a little bit of water. It's going to harden. It's going to gel up when we put it in the refrigerator. Go ahead and mix that. And that'll probably be it on the water. Okay. Get the water out of here. Get it all the way around the edges. Around. There you go. Check your edges right now. Hold the bowl for me. Hold the bowl. No, the bowl. There you go. Okay. Now that looks like a pretty good cheesecake consistency. You like it firm? Oh, it's flying everywhere. I'm telling you not to let it fly. I got it flying everywhere. Okay. Now, put this aside. Watch the cord there. Okay. Now grab your pie. Your pie up there on top of it. There you go. All right, now put it right. Move this out the way. Put your pie right there. Okay, take the plastic piece off. All right, I just fill the pie. There you go. All right, it's a graham cracker crust. Put it down. Now fill it with your filling. Just put it right in the middle. There you go. And that's pretty much how we're gonna do this. This is gonna come out good. Now, what I like about it is it's non-dairy and it's keto friendly. It's low sugar. I think the graham cracker crust was, if I remember right, it was 4 grams of sugar. So that's not bad. So that's what you get when you get a helper. If you got a good little helper like I got here, if you got a good helper, she is going to do you a good job cooking. Now we don't cook nothing. This goes straight into the refrigerator. Okay. Good job. Okay. So we're going to take it and we're going to smash it around. Take the back of your spoon and push it down. No, the back. Take the back of your spoon and then push it on and push it like you want it. There you go. Girl can cook now, I'll tell you that. Alright. Put the rest of your filling in there. I'm probably gonna help you finish it up. Okay. Alright. That's how we do it. How much we got? Oh man, this is gonna be good cheesecake. If you like cheesecake, this girl knows Papa loves cheesecake. But I can't handle the dairy, and I don't want the sugar. So we come up with this recipe on our own. You're not going to find this anywhere, more than likely. This is our recipe. Now what we're going to do is, one more trick after I'm going to help her smash it down in there, get it in there good. And we're going to show you one more little trick before we stick it in the refrigerator. All right. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is show the fruit, show this whole earth. We've got some whole earth. And what we're going to do is take it and sprinkle it over the pie. Don't put a lot, just sprinkle it over the pie. There you go, just like that. That adds a little sweetness to it. If you like it real sweet, you don't have to do that. Now we could have used 4 packs of this. I used 3, and it comes out just right. But if you want it kind of heaped over a little bit, just add another pack. And like I said, I don't measure the water. I just put the water according to the viscosity of the thing till I get it. You got it all over the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's good. All right. Now all we got to do is take the get your pie top. No, the plastic piece. Open the pot. Cover the pot. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just had your hand on it right there, babe. Okay, now turn it up, put it on. Okay, then you bend the little pieces. Just bend it a couple places across. Just 4 places, bend it. Just about 4 places. All right. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And our next video, we're going to leave it in about an hour. Our next video, we're going to be eating some cheesecake. We're going to try it out, see if it's any good. All right. You ready to put it in the refrigerator? All right, fold it up and show the cheesecake. Just kind of hold it at an angle like that. There you go. That girl made a cheesecake, all right? All right, let's take it, put it in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna sample it. That's how you say it. That's how we do it here.
That's how we do it here.
Make cheesecake, Papa style.
Make cheesecake, Papa style.
Papa style, all right, man. Okay, one thing I want to add. Used about half a bottle of this. I think this is 16 ounces. This is 20 ounces. So we used about 10 ounces of cold water. About 10 ounces of cold water. Another thing I want to add, I've made these cheesecakes before, and I would add blueberries. If you like blueberries, fresh blueberries, put them in your mix. Or you can put pineapple, whatever you think would go good with cheesecake. But I know the blueberries do. I've tried that. That really works good. So that's how we do it here. We make a low fat. Well, it's not so much low fat because of the coconut cream has fat in it. So it's low sugar, 0 dairy cheesecake. Okay, let's see how the cheesecake came out. Looks good. Very, very good. Tastes like cheesecake to me. Awesome.